Hello, myself Dr. Kaushik Halder, and today we are going to have session on design thinking, a innovation framework. We are going to use it in a new domain to see how it is getting benefited. It's a surprise to see what is that domain all about in the going ahead session. Thank you. Dr. Kaushik Halder, and today we'll be going through a session that is digital marketing using design thinking. As digital marketing is ocean, we'll be going through in next 15 minutes. Basically, you will be going through a small portion of that one, that is keyword strategy. And we'll try to see how by making use of design thinking, the expected output is much optimized. So before getting into the keyword strategy, what is keywords? So keywords are the words or set of words which are used in the search engine. We are using in the search engine like Google search or Microsoft Bing to get the desired output. What are the outputs here? Outputs are the desired website. Now say I am expecting something to search related to mobile phone. Like say I have mentioned like mobile phone or smartphone. Then all the websites or all the vendors who are related in manufacturing of smartphone will be coming up as a part of the end result of our search. So that is the keyword which are actually we are using in the search engine. Now, what this keyword does, this keyword when being used, it is being searched in the content of the topic which is present in the website. Now, the content of the topic which are related to that particular product or service what we are looking for, and if that particular keyword is present in that particular content, then the expected end result is to have that particular website as a part of an end result of the search. So what is actually the content now? The content topic refers to the main subject of the theme that a piece of content revolves around. So I repeat, a content topic refers to the main subject or theme that a piece of content revolves around. It is a central idea or focus that the content aims to cover and provide the information all about. Now, in the Google search, what we have said just beforehand, like if we search for Apple phone, Apple iPhone, then the search is related, all the website that is related to Apple iPhone will come up as a kind of an end result. So now the thing is it so? Like if we change the keyword, that will make change in the end result of the web search? Might be. Now, the thing is like we have been talking about SEO. So what is the SEO stands for? SEO stands for search engine optimization. In simple term, SEO means the process or improving website to increase its visibility in any kind of search engine like Google, Microsoft. So what is that search is actually meant for? The search is actually meant for the products that is being sold or the services that has been provided. So search engine optimization is actually the process which improves the website visibility. Now, we have been talking about the keywords. Now, what are the types of keywords? Keywords are basically three types. Now, before that, keywords has been segregated in two parts. One is when we are searching when we are typing that keywords in the search engine, and another when you are using that one as a content. So let's first go ahead with the phase wherein like we type in for the search. Now keywords are of three types. Short tail keywords, it is actually one or two words. Now say if we search for only smartphone, so that is of two words. So that is short tail keyword. The expected volume of the search may be huge, as it is a generic kind of words. Now, middle tail keywords. Middle tail keywords are usually 2 to 3 words, and it is comparatively, the search results are comparatively less in compared to the what usually we get for the short tail keywords. Long tail keywords, these are usually phrases of 3 to 5 words. Now, say if we take an example of like 5G mobile phone, rupees 30,000. So it will try to come up with all the mobile phones which are 5G enabled, and will try to get those phones which are on or less than rupees 30,000. So search volume will be definitely much lesser in compared to, because it will be filtering out the data. The search result will be much lesser in compared to the middle tail and short tail. So this is the search or keyword which is based on the volume. This is usually used when an end user, this is easily used by an end user when they are typing in the search engine. Now, for the page optimization, when the search is when the keywords are being used in the pages as a part of the content, now it is again been segregated in 3 types. That is the primary keywords. The primary keywords are actually the keywords which are being used in the content. Now, say I am using 5G mobile, the direct use of the product in the content, the 5G mobile. So that is the primary keyword which is being used as a part of the content making. Now, next is synonymous keyword. Synonymous keyword may be the attributes or associated keywords which are part of the primary keyword. Now, say if I am saying like the microprocessor being used in the 5G mobile phone, or the RAM being used in the 5G smartphone, or its configuration, any other kind of configuration being used in 5G smartphone. So these are all the attributes, these are all the properties, functionalities which are being used in the 5G smartphone. Now, these are synonymous keywords. Brand keyword usually we say like LG mobile phone, Samsung mobile phone, Apple iPhone. So usage of the brand in itself or model in itself are the brand keywords. Now, say I am saying Samsung has come up with a kind of a particular model. Okay, so usage or making use of that Samsung particular model is the use of the branded keyword. Now, the correct keyword optimization helps in ranking and attracting the traffic to the website, and it results in conversion. Like it is important to choose the keywords carefully, and the keywords again. Now, the keywords again are generated. Basically, what we have been discussing, what we will be discussing over here in 2 types. One is the tool-based keywords. There are various tools out there based on which like the keywords can be generated, and the keyword strategies cruise lies in discovering optimal keywords to attract relevant website traffic. Well-chosen keywords improve search ranking, leading to increased visibility and enhanced conversion rates. So, the other way of keyword selection is based on innovative way of doing that. And in this innovation, we have selected design thinking as a part of our process in selecting the keyword. So the first process, it engulfs 3 sub-processes in it. The first is the brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Even though like we will be going through each of the tool in separate session or separate webinar or workshop on very much high level. What is brainstorming? Brainstorming is the discussion among the peers. But it is not just having that discussion. An environment or culture has to be developed before that discussion carries on. So saying that what it means, what is the culture we are discussing about here? Like when someone is speaking, no one's supposed to interrupt him or her. That is the first. Second is like one should have the liberty to think on top of someone has said or shared their view. So thinking on top of peers' view. Third, like judgment should not come very fast after within the discussion. It should be deferred till last. So these are few of the cultures like that has to be maintained to have a good, healthy environment to have the discussion. Now, once the discussion is done, quantity is much preferred. Quantity is much preferred. So what does it mean? Lot of ideas are more appreciated. More the idea, more is the chance of getting better result. Now, once we get a number of ideas, we need to prioritize those ideas. One having on the top of the pyramid means the topmost prioritized one should be now focused. Now, what are those which are on topmost of the pyramid? Those are the keywords. As because we are discussing over here for the keywords now, so we have done the brainstorming based on keywords and we came out with 100 of keywords, and then we have prioritized which keywords supposed to be used. As because it is always good to use small numbers of keywords first and see like what is the result that is coming up, and then we can see for the other slots. Now, once we have done with the keywords, once we have done the prioritization of the keywords, we do A/B testing. Means the website behavior before using the keywords and after using the keywords. What is the traffic that is coming to that particular website? So that is A/B testing. Now, vision code. Vision code is something like what we have been doing in past, what we are doing in the present, and what is our goal in the future, aligned to organization goal and vision mission. So the thing is like, we have to come up with a kind of an process, not only to sustain or not only to get the traffic to our website for present, also for the future. So looking into the future, if we think of coming up with some kind of keywords also, that is also fine. Now, say I'm saying back 2 years or 3 years, ChatGPT was not in boom, or it was very less known or not known. So if we would have used ChatGPT, or say 10 years back, if you would have used, say, I'm saying like artificial intelligence or related to any words which are related to artificial intelligence or data mining or data engineering, that would have a part of the future goal or futuristic thing. So being today, whatever we are doing, like say in future, hence 5 years, if we would like to use, or if we have any goal, then the keywords related to that will also be appreciated, supposed to be part of our agenda or supposed to be part of our strategy. Now, we have to be very, very wise in using this one. Like maybe not always using the futuristic words will lead us to have a good traffic. So the thing is like, but well, we need to have those words in our stack. We may need to use, say, if not now, in course of time after 6 months, we may have to use that one. Fine. So I summarize this one. So the process usually goes with brainstorming, then testing how the website behaves now in compared to previous one, and then vision coding. Vision coding is something like what we were in past. Okay. Now what we are doing in present. Okay. Say I'm saying taking this optimization of keywords. What kind of keywords we used to use 6 months back? What are the set of keywords we are using now? And we should also have the stack of words, like after 6 months or after 1 year, what are the kind of keywords we are expected to use in future. What is the future? Again, we may segregate that one, like say in next 6 months we will be using this, then after that, like we'll be using this kind of keywords. So these are keyword selection. And again, like this is a cycle, like after going 6 months from now, 6 months hence, we'll again look back, saying the fact which are keywords that what we have used. If something that needs to be retired or sunset, we have to do that. So few of the products are not in use, so we have to sunset, or we have to retire all those keywords which are pertaining to those particular service or product which are not being used in our organization right now. And then again, we need to see the A/B testing, and again we need to go for the vision calling. Okay. Now next is a peer-to-peer observation. Peer-to-peer observation, here we are focusing on only one thing. That is a fact to say, like what other organization in same product or service what they are providing to the end user are using the keywords. It is good to have the knowledge like what other organization they are using. So that is actually peer-to-peer observation. It was nice, and looking forward for your presence in the session, wherein like I can discuss more on the tools and other topics related to cross-functional domains. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.